Journey to the stars with SpaceX Falcon Heavy and the enigmatic X-37B. Unleashing a new era in space exploration, today we spotlight the marvel of SpaceX Falcon Heavy carrying the X-37B spaceplane. The Falcon Heavy, a testament to human achievement, triumphantly embarks on a mission, carrying a payload to orbit of 63,800 kilograms. Inside this payload is the X-37B, an unmanned spaceplane enveloped in mystery. Its purpose? Only a few privileged minds know. Our journey starts at the Kennedy Space Center, where the Falcon Heavy, a beautiful beast of raw power, stands ready for liftoff. As the countdown echoes, anticipation builds. Engines ignite, smoke billows, and a roaring symphony of power announces our departure from Earth's bounds. In orbit, the X-37B departs the Falcon Heavy. Silent as a shadow, it embarks on a mission shrouded in secrecy. A new chapter in space exploration has been penned. Today, we've witnessed the strength of human endeavor reaching for the stars.